Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to record this video to help you with using your fonts, how to get those different options, the swirly ends. The technical terms are ligatures, glyphs, alternates, and extras. So just to show you how to do this in Silhouette Studio. And I use Silhouette Studio Business Edition, and you can look up here to see what edition you have if you are not sure. If it's just the free version, the basic edition, you won't be able to have font management to use the different parts of the fonts outside of the regular typing that you do. In order to use the extras on the fonts, you do have to have designer edition or above. So just something to note. And you can get a great discount for that through swingdesign.com. Just something for you to know. And then I just want to show you here how to use these. So I'm going to grab this particular one. This is a script font and it has a whole bunch of different options. So I'm just going to show you. So to start, I just went to my font panel. I already had that open. I found the font I wanted to use, and then I went over here to start my typing. So this again is just from regular typing. The font itself without the extras is still a very pretty font. Sometimes I want something special. So for example, I'm going to find a fancy S. So to do this, you go to the glyph panel. And what I'm going to do here is scroll down. The first letters and characters on the map here are the regular characters that you just type. As you go down, you start to see the different alternates. So you have your foreign characters, for example, and then it starts to show you all the different alternates. This one again has a ton. I like this one because it's organized A, B, C. It has the list of each alternate of that actual letter. And some of them are not like this, where they might have all of the letters in this particular style. So it just depends on how the font creator set it up. I like this because I can see all my letter S's that I want to choose from in one area. So it just depends, but that's something to be aware of. So just going to go down and pick. So I just want a little S on the end. So I'm going to pick that one instead. So all I did here is I just simply double clicked, deleted the S that was there, and added the S that I want. Very simple. If for some reason you pick one and it doesn't look the way you want, you can pick a different one. So simple, simple. You can also change any other letter of this word. So it doesn't have to be just the first letter or last letter. It just depends on what options you have and what you want to use. So I'm going to go to the O's. And you could do that, for example. So something like that. Maybe you don't like that. Maybe you just want to go back. I just typed regularly, so it's pretty easy. I'm going to see what kind of T's I have. See if I have a T like this. That's the R. So let's see if they gave me a T like that. So that doesn't work. They don't all work in the middle of a word. It's just going to depend on what options. That was the one. So you can get really fancy or be as plain as you want, and that's what I like about these different fonts that offer these is there's just literally unlimited options almost. So that's just a little bit about how to use your ligatures and glyphs, the special characters available in your fonts. The other thing I wanted to show you with this font, it's called Burst Dream. I was using Burst Dream script in that example. It came with 4 different styles. So it came with Burst Dream Extras, which are the different drawn out designs, and they made it into a font. So just lots of different elements you can use in your design. Different flourishes, different little flowers, berries, different florals and leaves. So this one I really like. They put birds and coffee cup. So they have so many different little options that came with their font and this package of fonts. So it's really versatile. It comes with a frame. This is more of a spring type font as far as the extras that come with it. So if you're looking at a design and you're wondering how they added a banner or, a border, a simple sprig here, 9 times out of 10, it's a font that it had these glyphs. Not always. The person who made this font hand drew these elements. So there are people that hand draw their own elements on their designs. It just depends on the time. For me, it depends on the time I have. And when I'm making designs, sometimes I use these to add to my designs, or I'll draw my own. It just depends on what I'm doing. But just to show you a little bit here about how to do that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to connect with me more, link with me in my Facebook group in my profile. Come on and join, and I do different things in there, different tutorials, different giveaways, and different things. I give a free SVG every week, so come and join us. It's a fun group to be in, helpful group, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.